Hey everyone, the Acemagic M1A Pro Plus is a bold statement in the mini PC market, clearly designed to challenge traditional desktops by packing extreme performance into a compact, eye-catching chassis. Aimed squarely at AI developers, content creators, and power users. This system goes far beyond what most people expect from a small form factor PC, both in terms of raw computing power and advanced features. At the core of the M1A Pro Plus is AMD's Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 Strix Halo processor, a flagship-class chip that brings desktop-level performance into a compact enclosure. According to Acemagic, the integrated NPU can deliver up to 126 TOPS of AI computing power, a figure that places it well ahead of many discrete GPUs when it comes to pure AI throughput. Graphics performance is equally impressive for a system without a discrete GPU. The integrated AMD Radeon 8060S runs and is positioned as offering gaming performance comparable to an NVIDIA RTX 4070. In practice, this means the M1A Pro Plus is capable of running modern games at high settings, handling GPU-accelerated rendering, and supporting demanding creative applications such as video editing and 3D design. The system comes equipped with a massive 128 gigs of LPDDR5X memory, providing enormous bandwidth and capacity for memory-intensive tasks. This is especially beneficial for AI workloads, large datasets, and professional content creation, where both speed and capacity can directly impact performance. Storage expansion is handled exceptionally well for a mini PC. The M1A Pro Plus includes 3 PCIe 4.0 x 4M.22280 slots, allowing users to install up to 12 terabytes of total storage. The base configuration already includes a 2 terabytes SSD, making it usable out of the box for large projects, media libraries, or development environments. The system offers a wide selection of USB-A ports for legacy and modern peripherals, alongside a USB 4 Type-C port for high-speed data transfer and advanced accessories. Display output is particularly strong, with dual HDMI 2.1 ports and a DisplayPort 2.0 connection, enabling the M1A Pro Plus to drive up to 4 8K displays simultaneously. Dual Ethernet ports provide excellent wired networking options, while Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure cutting-edge wireless connectivity. Visually, the M1A Pro Plus stands out thanks to its cube-shaped design and external ARGB lighting, which gives it a distinctly high-end, enthusiast-oriented look. Measuring roughly 166.7 by 166.9 by 160.9 millimeters, it remains compact enough to fit on a desk without dominating the space, yet large enough to accommodate a robust cooling solution. Cooling is handled by an elaborate setup consisting of 3 turbine fans and 7 copper heat pipes, with separate thermal paths for the CPU and GPU. Despite its power, the system remains relatively portable, weighing around 2 kilograms. Tool-free access to the internals makes upgrades and maintenance straightforward, reinforcing the idea that this is a mini PC built for enthusiasts and professionals rather than casual users. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, the M1A Pro Plus is ready for enterprise use, development work, and advanced productivity straight out of the box. At a price of $2,499, the Acemagic M1A Pro Plus firmly positions itself in the premium segment. For those working in AI development, high-end content creation, or advanced multitasking scenarios, the M1A Pro Plus offers a unique proposition: workstation-level performance, extreme AI acceleration, and impressive graphics power in a compact, expandable form factor. It is not a mini PC for everyone, but for the right audience, it represents one of the most powerful and forward-looking small desktops currently available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.